to the Brightline. It's bright and early, or not even bright, it's just early. So let's see how this goes. Get my train down to Miami. Brightline. I made it. Okay, I'm gonna get my pass up so I can go through the gates. Apparently you just scanned it on the screen there. It did not take long for the little lounge to start filling up. Waiting, I have about 15 minutes I think before the train will board, and then I will be on my way. Okay, you guys, I made it inside the terminal. I've been through security, and now I'm gonna keep heading towards the ship. It's a little bit, I don't want to say chaotic, but just busy. Maybe everybody just got here all at the same time. One noticeable difference besides the crowd is that I don't see anybody doing pictures yet before you board the ship. So I don't know if you care about that or not, but if you want a picture in front of the ship, you're not gonna see it here at the Terminal C, going on to MSC.
Don't forget to give this boarding day video a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments below how many boarding day photos do you like to take with the ship photographers.
Take it back. Not only did I find the pictures, just need to keep going, but there was also a welcome aboard refreshment. So that was very nice. There was the picture spot. I met one of the photographers, David. Okay, I think there was a lot of twists and turns getting on board, but I'm here. I'm about to board Magnifica. Here we go. Hello. Hi, how are you? Okay. Hello. How are you?
I'm fine. How about you, man?
Good, thank you.
Welcome on board.
Thank you.
Excellent.
Thank you.
Very good.
I will. I missed the drop off somehow.
Yeah.
Waiting at the door. I'm in 81580. This should be my key. They said I could at least drop off my bag, which I'm going to do. Let me just give a shout out to MH Family Adventures. Raquel did an amazing job of not only letting me know, but letting us know about the friends and family amazing discounted rate and sharing that with us all. I was able to take advantage of that, and I'm so glad that I took a chance. This is my very first time on MSC, and I am happy to test it out, and thankful that I don't have to stop cruising just yet. This will probably be the last cruise for me for 2024, but I'm excited. Thanks, Raquel. Getting ready for the sail away. I have no idea what to expect from a sail away with MSC, but I'm about to find out. Look at that beautiful skyline. Miami. I forget that I live in Florida, you guys. I know it's hot, but I came to find the shadiest spot I could. Didn't have to go down so I can be more a part of the action of the sail away. So, here we go. Let me get this quick shot of the Miami skyline. Hopefully you can see. So pretty. Look at my friends I just met from Uruguay. Uruguay. Hi. Welcome to MSC Magnifica. Yay. Like I said, I did not know what to expect coming on to MSC, but so far so good. Everybody is having a great time. Super enjoying it. You want to be on too? Hold on. You come to Miami and you make all kinds of friends. Hey! Hey!
I'm doing a hybrid class.
Help you.
No, you're fine. This is one of my cars.
Ah, okay. So good. We have to make a video with Uruguayan people. Okay?
Okay, I
Digas un video con los